Wala, kenapa rasa macam I'm so pretty today? I'm so confident. I am feeling myself. Oh my god, look. Oh, look at this face. Look at this lips. Look at this eyebrow. Look at this highlight. Can you see the highlight? Oh, look. I want to cry. I want to cry because I macam confident dengan diri I sekarang ni. Okay, I need to go out. I kena tunjuk ke semua orang muka I kena buat IG live. You know what I nak buat IG live? Because I tunjuk semua orang yang I look good today. Okay, but before that, look into my eyes, but do not look into my hidung. Okay, I want to change my phone. Kenapa nak change my phone? But look at this corgi. Look, I love corgi. Okay. Anyways, I ada masalah besar. I'm dying. I need the new iPhone. Okay, I need the new iPhone. Why? Okay, because I nak. Okay, that's all. But then again, I just spent so much, guys. I don't know. Should I disclose this information to you guys? I just spent so much this month. But I tak beli something important. I tak beli a phone, okay? And now that duit I dah sengkit and tunggu next payment, I need a new phone, okay? I need a new phone. But then I don't have the money to get a new phone. But I seriously need a new phone because this phone, okay, guys, okay, let's be real. I use Facetune. I use Facetune to edit my pictures to make it nicer. But the thing is, every time I go to Facetune sekarang ni, dia akan lag, dia akan macam crash. And I think it's a new iOS update. I don't know. Like, this is iPhone 7 and I need the new iPhone XS. Oh my god, bulu mata I luruh. Bulu mata I luruh. Kita abaikan mata sebelah ni. Should I get a new phone? Or is there anything yang macam, can I rent a phone? Can I like loan a phone? I tak tahu. Okay, you know what? I'm so stressed right now. I nak makan first. I nak makan. I nak makan, jap. Sabar jap, I nak makan. I makan pho. This is a Vietnamese soup. Noodle macam tu. This is from Super Saigon. I order guna grab food. So good. Betul-betul liao. I nak call boyfriend I jap. Tanya pendapat dia. Hello. Okay. I nak beli phone.
Beli je lah.
Yelah, tapi ada banyak spend kan bulan ni. Ada baru beli handbag, semua benda. Tak cukup duit nak beli phone dah. iPhone mahal nak mampus kot.
You pergi lah Maxis. Diorang ada plan Zerolution 360 tu lah.
Ha, apa tu? Macam bunyi game je.
Diorang boleh loan phone. Tak payah bayar interest.
Tapi tak ada credit card kan masalahnya.
Tak payah pakai credit card pun.
Serius lah. Sekarang ni kita Google. Let's do research, okay? Jom kita research, guys. Maxis Zerolution 360. Okay, dah jumpa dah. What does it say? What does it say? Your one-stop destination for a new smartphone with zero worries. Oh my god, so much info. I macam overwhelmed. Ni, iPhone XS. You kena bayar
140
a month je. Kau tak 6,000. That means I can afford another handbag if I only pay 139 a month for a phone. Yes. Yes, this I like. This I like. Oh my god, no. Oh, okay. You tengok gigabyte berapa. I nak iPhone XS 256 gigabyte. Ooh. Okay, kalau 256 gigabyte, I have to pay
168
ringgit a month, which is fine. I can spend more on handbags and shoes and baju. Oh my god, if you check dekat Maxis punya website, you can tengok kat mana in stock. So, oh my god, you know what? I hate it bila I pergi kedai and dia macam, sorry, no stock. Apa ni? Zerolution 360 is the only phone membership that lets you experience iPhone XS or iPhone XX Max with zero upfront payment and complete peace of mind with no damage or theft worries. What? What does that mean? Okay, since sekarang I dah process all the information, rasa I dah macam pandai nak mampus sekarang. Just a few things I tak faham. So I need to call my boyfriend. FaceTime. Oh, I hate you phone. I hate you. Wah, dia tak angkat. Wah, tak angkat. Hello. I dah masuk dah website apa? Maxis ni tau. I tengok apa? Maxis Zerolution 360 ni kan. I macam tak faham sikit lah. Kalau I ambil plan ni kan, I macam start dengan iPhone ni ke? Macam I boleh tukar ke kena habis bayar baru boleh tukar?
Tak ada. Boleh tukar dia.
Kalau phone baru keluar, I boleh tukar lah?
Sebab abang I pun ambil plan ni juga.
Oh ya.
You kena beli phone baru ke?
Yelah, sebab I kan guna-guna phone. Sebab I nak kamera. I nak gambar cantik. Okay, basically. So, I kan nak kena edit gambar, nak ambil gambar. So, kalau I boleh ambil gambar guna iPhone je, I tak payahlah bawa kamera besar nak mampus lah. Kamera I berat nak mampus.
Sebab tu je you nak beli phone baru.
Jangan judge I boleh tak? And also, since you kata I boleh tukar every year, I tak payah beli phone every year. So, jimat, boleh beli handbag baru. So, I need the new iPhone every year. So that I macam boleh fit in dengan influencer lain.
Weird flex, but okay.
Ni website dia kata kalau I crack my phone, minta simpang sangat lah tak jadi dekat I. Because the last time I crack my phone, I think bila like 2 years, 3 years ago kot. So dah lama lah. Okay. But if I do crack my phone, orang Maxis datang rumah I and ambil phone ni and fix it in 24 hours. And in the meantime, juga saya iPhone lain untuk I guna lah sebab tak ada phone ni kan. Dia fix my crack phone for free kot. Sekejap, you tengah busy sekarang ni?
Tak.
Okay, you datang sekarang boleh tak? Datang sekarang. I nak pergi Pavilion. Sebab tengok dekat, dia ada stok kat Pavilion. Okay, bye-bye. See you later.
Okay.
Hi. Hello. I'm back. I dah beli phone. I pergi Maxis Center dekat KLCC. And tada, I got the iPhone XS Max. Okay, yang paling besar gedabak. It was so damn easy to get this phone. Sumpah, I macam tak sure I nak 10R, 10S atau 10S Max. I dah dapat phone tu. I had to go to this counter and just this person, dia dah buka the kotak for me. Dia dah turn on the phone and dia check everything. Dia check sound, dia check camera semua, make sure everything is okay. Then baru I dapat phone tu. So basically macam dia akan make sure the phone is betul okay, tak ada masalah, baru dia kasih ke I. Oh my god, dah buka dah. So this is my new phone guys. Oh my god, it's so pretty, the colour. I got the gold one. Ni no. Oh my god, macam ni ke? Oh my god, so pretty. Oh my god, look! Cantik tak? Oh my god, I look like Siti Nurhaliza. Do I look like Siti Nurhaliza? I think so. Macam nak back? Tak ada home button. Oh! Okay, so apparently untuk go back, you just like swipe up je. Okay, sorry lah, I bodoh. You can see my reflection. Hello? Nampak tak highlight? Nampak tak highlight I? Through the reflection. Look at my highlight. This is the video. Ni je video je sebenarnya. I nak tunjuk my phone baru. My new phone. Subscribe. Okay. Subscribe sebelum I rembat you. Love you.